3-1, ready to check. Roger that.
On our military collector segment today, you know, it's been a while since I've had the opportunity to get back to y'all on my 1943 GPW, kind of in a rebuild stage. But what I want to show you here is I'm not going to take you through all of the steps of what we did, but this is a new rebuilt engine. Okay, this came out of another 43. Actually, this motor came out of New Mexico. Extensive price to rebuild this thing, okay? Just the block, okay, and just the engine as it was rebuilt was over $3,600, okay? So I'm giving you these kind of prices because, again, doing this is not for the light of pocketbook nor the faint of heart. Because trying to find one of these engines, first of all, to get a block that's rebuildable, a little more formidable. To get an engine that's already redone, that's even harder to do. So what I want to do here is talk to you a little bit about this engine is really tight, okay? And so in order to do that, it's still, I've left it on the 6-volt system. All the generator 6-volt, all that stuff is all original. It's all good to go. But the 6-volt battery that I got is a little difficult to turn it over. So I'm going to do another segment here in a minute, but what I put in here is a 12-volt little John Deere tractor battery, and it cranks it right up and gets it rolling. So with that, I'll show you in a segment in a few minutes about changing this back over to the 6-volt battery that I already have, and it's a brand new rebuilt, and I'll show that to you on our next segment.
3-1, ready to check. Roger that.